Good morning. My name is Brandee Simons, and today on my channel, we're going to be talking about folding a fitted sheet, the thing everybody loves to do, right? It's actually a lot more simpler than you think it would be. Some people do it certain ways, and this is just the way that I've taught myself to do it to be the easiest. I always start, and I am using a queen sheet for my queen bed. So I start out with having the sheet on the inside out, as you can see. I've got two of my corners in hand, and two of my corners are down below. The first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that the entire sheet is inside out, which if you look down here at the bottom, it is not. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that. And then I'm going to take two of my inside corners, the furthest apart, so you're going lengthwise on the sheet. If you had a twin, I suppose it wouldn't matter. But for the queen size, I'm starting there. I'm putting my two furthest corners together where they meet. And that puts the sheet the correct side out. And then I'm just going to lay it on my bed for a second. And I'm trying to get it squared up. So that's the key ingredient right there, is squaring up your sheet. Once you've got it squared, it's going to be a whole lot easier to maneuver. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking the excess and I'm pushing it on the inside so that the other two corners on the other side will also come together. So you can see here, the other two corners are now meeting as well. So now I'm going to take this corner and this corner, the two corners you have left, and they're going to meet together, like so. And that's where most people have the most difficulty, is they stop at just one. So all of your corners are together in one. We're going to lay it back on the bed, and we're going to try to square this up. The bigger the sheets, the more you're going to have to maneuver with it because you're going to have so much excess material. So that's pretty squared up for the most part. So then I always start down here with my looser ends to get more of an even square, as you can see. And I always fold in. And then you have a complete square, and we're going to fold it in once more. And you're going to notice you're going to have one side that's going to be way thicker than the other side, and that is because this is the part that has all the corners in it. So I fold in on the side that is thinner, and then I fold in on my thicker side. At that point, I'm going to come over and fold up our pillowcases that go with the set. And I fold them to equal the same size as the fitted sheet. So we're just folding our pillowcases to equal the same size as our fitted sheet. So you've got that all nice and neat. Now we're going to go over here to the regular sheet, which we've already got semi-folded. I've got it in my square, and this is how I do it. I'm going to fold it over once more. Then we're going to place our fitted sheet and our pillowcases right on one side and squish it down and pull over the other sheet. And this is what you get. A nice, compact set, ready to go, and easy storage. And now if you want to follow me, I'll show you exactly how I store it. I don't have a lot of room for my storage, so once I've got my sheet, it fits exactly where it needs to go. Bada boom, bada bang. You're all done. Please hit the subscribe button if you want more tips. Let me know. Thank you.